So guys, I think you can see that. But in Liski, that's our train, guys. So, and actually guys, this is the part that we're taking. So guys, just in case you're new guys to this channel, guys, the very first thing that you need to do is just subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever Don Mwita upload a video, it notifies you. Yeah, and for the returning subscribers, I'll appreciate you so much for your love and support that you keep on showing on me. So guys, just stay in touch and watch this amazing vlog till it ends. Yo. Fuck. So guys, so after that, oh guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I go by the name I am_Mark_Vane. Also you can call me Travel Commando number 5. Yeah, so today I want to show you the places that you can't just walk alone with headphones or earphones on your ear. Yeah, because even me the other day I got arrested for trespassing, but that's a story coming ahead. And these are the places that you can't walk with your headphone, or in case you ignore those rules, you will get yourself killed. By what? The question remains, by what? So let me show you what will kill you if you ignore the rules. Yeah, and I just want to go around and show you. I'll be showing you the place which almost killed one of the students. Yeah, we were almost losing one of the students, but he was rushed to the hospital, and I hope the doctor saved his life. Yeah, that guy was walking with a headphone on his ears. Headphone was on his head, and the train was coming. Yeah, so the train hit him, but apparently it didn't injure him so much, so he was rushed to the hospital. So guys, if you are watching the video for the first time, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment, and turn on the notification on, so that you will be notified whenever I post my video. And welcome, enjoy the video till the end. So guys, I think you can see that. But in Liski, that's our train, guys. So, and actually guys, this is the part that we're taking. So guys, just in case you're new guys to this channel, guys, the very first thing that you need to do is just subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever Don Mwita upload a video, it notifies you. Yeah, and for the returning subscribers, I'll appreciate you so much for your love and support that you keep on showing on me. So guys, just stay in touch and watch this amazing vlog till it ends. We are heading to the actual spot where that guy was almost killed. Yeah, so we are walking along the railway, and we are going to that end. And as we going, just want to tell you the story. So this guy was just walking like a normal guy, and I think he was coming to school, yeah. But when train is always coming, there is a hole that it must alert people on the rail, so that you can give anyone on the rail, can give him a way to pass. Always. In fact, it always open the hole from the end. I don't know, it's like 2 kilometers from here, yeah. So the train comes with the hole, yeah, and it's really, really loud. And in fact, if you are walking, just walking without anything on your ears, it's really making a lot of noise, yeah. And it's always alert everyone. So the guy was just walking like normal, and was walking on the rail, yeah. But now the train give an alarm, and the guy didn't heard, and railway, train can't stop because you are just on his rail. So it had to knock the guy, yeah. And the guy got so many injuries. And for those who are there, were able to call an ambulance, and the guy was rushed to the hospital. So that's why you should not always walk with the headphone or earphone on your head, yeah. Always. And remember that if you are walking here, you must always be keen and check your back and in front, because sometimes the railway can just come and is not maybe alerting everyone. So it just come upon reaching over there is when it can alert everyone, so that because there are so many students, yeah. So that's how it is. And so guys, and on the other side, let me just tell you my story. Tunaweza kalia hapa kidogo kama tuende hivi turudi. Nimefika dakika ngapi? So guys, that's how it is. And the other day, I was just caught walking on the no, I trespass, yeah. I trespassed I was going to the other side of the railway, yeah. I wanted to do my video, but I didn't know that there were rules over there. So, and to make matters worse, I didn't read the notice, yeah, was written, and I just ignored, not because I knew there were rules over there. I didn't know. So the guy just trespassed, and the securities caught me. So I had to explain myself. Where am I going? Why am I walking on the platform? Why am I bouncing? A lot of questions of which I was not able to answer. So I just lied to the guy. But before that, the guy came to me and told me, "What are you doing here?" So I told the guy, I was just passing, yeah? And he told me, "You are just passing and you are here. What were you looking inside?" Because the previous day they had a robbery, huh? A robbery case over there, and a few things were stolen from their office. So the guys told me to jump so that we can go into their office and maybe talk about what I was doing there. So upon knowing my offense, I just agreed to go with them, yeah, since I knew there were nothing they are going to do to me. So actually there were two guys. So the guys had a lot of questions to ask me. So I had to beg them because they were about to make calls to call Kenya Railway Police, I don't know, or Kenya Police. Yeah? They were about to call them. So I had to beg those guys. Yeah? But before that, what encouraged me is that there were two people walking on the rail from that side. Yeah? And I said to myself, because I was idle and I had nothing to do. So I told myself that why can't I just, because I wanted to come to this side and do my video, but I said, let me just go to the other side. Let me just go to the other side and do a video. That's the train coming. It's coming back. You can see over there, that's the what? China power. So that's where the source of electricity is. This source of electricity over here around KM, that's the main source, and it supplies the electricity energy to all of this place. Actually, that's the Membley Estate. Yeah, that's the Membley Estate, and I hope one day I'll go and do my video in Membley Estate. Yeah, I wish I would I had a drone so that I can just go sit somewhere, control my drone, and record a very clear video with my GoPro. So guys, after that, so I had to explain myself, yeah, and told the guy I'm just a student, and I was just passing around, walking, yeah. But the guys threatened me. They were taking reports. They wanted to make phone calls, so I had to beg them. Yeah. So since we know that every Kenyan likes kitu kidogo, so I bribed those guys. I bribed them, and I gave them 300 shillings so that they can leave me. Yeah. So the guys, but before that they wanted 500. Yeah, they wanted 500, but I told them that right now I have nothing, and even that 200 I'm giving them was for my supper. So the guys started sympathizing with me, but I told them, since the guy asked me, if you give me this 200, what are you going to eat? So I told the guy, I'm a man, I'll maybe ask for my friends even 100, so that I can maybe eat supper on time. Yeah, I'm going to narrate them what happened. So the guy accepted. So I just gave them that 300, and the guy escorted me to the gate, and I was free. Oh guys, that was and that was my day on that day. Yeah. So let me go with this street. Yo. Fuck. So guys, so after that, you can see hizi ndo hasa sama hizi zinakuwaga gani. So guys, this is street you can't pass around maybe from 7 if you are just one person. This is a street, and there is another one over there. Yeah. Since there are more students here, so a lot of them turned to thieves. For them to survive, they have to steal. So this street you can't pass alone. From 12 going onwards until around 5. Yeah, until around 5. So this street is very, 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 very dangerous. Guys, I can't even imagine that. I'm very tired, and I've just woken up at I don't know, it was 9:50. I'm 9:30. I guess it was 9:50, and I feel like I'm very, very, very tired. So this is the street, but there's a story I didn't complete it. So after maybe a crime has been committed here, so you are being taken to that rail I showed you, you are being taken there so that they can clear the evidence. Yeah, and I guess it's very hard to get their fingerprint on your body. I don't know what they normally use. I think they use gloves. Yeah, I think they use gloves. Yeah. So after you are being killed, after you have been killed, you are being taken to the railway so that anyone walking around there can spot you, and maybe you can be taken to the school mortuary. Yeah. So guys, I guess this is the end of my video, guys. This is the end of my video. Kindly, if you're watching the video for the first time, kindly like, share and comment, and please make sure to subscribe so that whenever I post my video you will be notified. Yeah, and thank you so much for watching the end. Ta-ta.